a fire in my...
Oh my goodness! Whoa! Holy mother of wet blazing saddle socks! Did anyone see that? Whoa! Tell me someone recorded that! He just hit the ground! He didn't even bounce! Why would anyone even do that? Sweet crimbly not pop bourbon of a blizzard! That was outrageous! What I would give to see that again! What I would pay! Someone call an ambulance! For me! I'm gonna have a heart attack!
Oh boy, I've always wondered what's in Dad's briefcase. Oh boy, I've always wondered what's in Dad's briefcase. Why am I British? I've always wondered what's in my husband's briefcase. Huh. Letters to another woman. You told me forever.
Things change, my love.
No! No!
You are a...
And now, the moment you've been rubbing your rhubarb for.
Oh, but it was just a false alarm.
But I have never been more sad than I am right now.
Oh, well, that's okay, buddy. Maybe we can go and get...
I'm a fire in you, Dr. Octagonopus. Huh? You are banished from the Council of Why? Your son, Doctor. You killed your son. He was essential to our plan. Oops.
I'm gonna pop this kid's balloon, and then I'm gonna run some errands. The upstairs bathroom is out of hand soap. Yeah!
Hero rats, fighting for mankind. Hero rats, sniffing out landmines. Hero rats, armed with tiny claws. Hero rats, working for our cause. They are small, yet they are mighty, marching bravely into hell. Oh, into the fields, straight into danger.
Hey, what's the difference between me and a ghost?
I don't know. What?
Ghosts aren't dolphins.